Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Innal hamdalillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzu billahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyi'ati a'malina. May yahdihillahu fala mudhillalah wa may yudhlil fala hadiyalah. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Amma ba'du. Okay. This video I'd like to make demo about new UI UX. The name is Desu. This UX the function for we know about whether around me or you, and it is the first homepage, the first page in Weather UX. As the text now the future weather prediction around you, and sentence take your current weather but what will happen in the future. The between I have 110 million rating in the Play Store and 16 million people using this app and uh, and have a continue button. I will click the continue. Okay, and this is homepage in Wizard UX. Okay, and it's like a sentence for um, welcome and between have the weather is now the today is weather is 24 Celsius and between have explain particular and wear a jacket when you leave the house. And the between can have a wind, humidity, visualize a feeling. This for we know about a wind, humidity is UV rise and feeling. Okay. The wind is 20 kilometers per hour and humidity is then 89% and UV rise is a 5 from 10 and feeling 20 Celsius. The between can have category like today, tomorrow, Sunday, uh, 7, and next week. I will click today first. This is a presentation. Like now is 20, 28 and the night is uh, night is 10 Celsius and at 2 p.m. eh, yes, mm, 29 and the night is 11 and between again uh, weather in it's 12 o'clock like in the at the 20 o'clock the weather is 28 Celsius and 10 p.m. at p.m. is the weather is 11 Celsius. Okay, I will go back again. After that, uh, it is same with today, and I will click tomorrow. The function of tomorrow, we, the function is we know about for weather in future or tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow will be the weather is 22 Celsius. This average is rain. The wind is 19 kilometers per hour and UV rise is 13 from at 3 from 10 and feeling like uh, 17. Okay, and the between and this same with today. So that I will go back again and I will click Sunday. The Sunday is will be 26 Celsius and will be partly cloudy, and the wind is very fast, 27, and humidity and UV rise very big. So that I will go back again, and after that I will click next week. And the function from next week is we know about next week, like in the first week in this month, and you want to know the second week weather. You can uh, click this. The average from 26 until 24. The wind is the average is 13.4, humidity average is 19.1, and UV is 3 from 10. And between like the calendar or day, like Monday is the average is 24, and Sunday is 20, and is between same with this. After that I will uh, click back again. Okay, the function of this is we know about the city you already add. Uh, for example, like you want know about Mecca, and you just add the city like South Korea, Indonesia, United States, California. Okay, and in the Indonesia, uh, the southeast is 21, and the wind is 6 kilometer per hour. And the South Korea is 24, the wind is 24 kilometer per hour. The United States in California is 13.6, and after that we'll go back again, and this with this plot icon for about today time with this but different image or icon. And this is new for you know about about news in the around you or natural disaster. We will click like latest news with relate news, like tornado in California, tsunami in Japan, thunderstorm in Dubai, quake in Alaska, and others. And the between have X-Men or Ethel. I will see more. The function of Simmer, about more the news, and this frame. Okay, okay, maybe just that. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hopefully you get benefit from this video. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.